ladies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tamara Erskine and I help moms look their best, feel their best, and parent their best in the modern mom age. Subscribe if you're into that. I promise I won't bite. For today's video, I'm showing you exactly how I get this fall time look with a few of my go-to fall products. And if you like this look, go ahead and like it. Show me some love. I have worked hard on it. No. Also, a brief shout out to Tamara S for winning my $50 Amazon gift card giveaway, for thanking all of you guys subscribers for being subscribed. For all of those new and joining, I will be doing more giveaways, and I am already so appreciative of you supporting my channel. With that being said, let's get right into the look. Starting off with a moisturized face, I'm going to go ahead and just prime with Farsali Skintune. I have used this a couple times. I'm not quite sure how I feel about it yet, so I'm just working with a Sephora sample. Skin feels smooth. I'm going to just quickly fill in my brows here. I've done this for you guys a few times, so I'm going to just speed through this portion while I finish my brows. Okay, so to start with my eyes, I'm going to go into my Just Peachy Mattes palette, the color Peach Cobbler here, and I'm gonna just start working that into my eyelid. I'll do that real quick on both sides, just to kind of warm up the lid there. And then in the crease, I'm gonna use that same palette, except I'm going into the color Peach Punch, which is this beautiful color here. I'm going to start working that into my lid. And I'm bringing that from my outer corner of my lid all the way to the inner corner of my lid. Just arching that right above my eyeball there. And then I'm going to take that fluffy brush that I just used, and without putting any more product on there, I'm just going to smoke that out just a bit to blend those colors nicely and get rid of the harsh lines. Next, using that same palette, I'm going into Peach Tart, which is that deep brown color there. I'm gonna work that into the outer corner of my eye as well as slightly on the inner corner of my eye. This creates more depth in the look. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. And for the lid today, I'm going to be using the fairly new Shimmer and Glow liquid eyeshadow by Stila. It's a creamy consistency, which will make this really easy to apply. And I'm just applying this at the lower center portion of my eyelid here. I'm going to take another shadow brush and blend that out just slightly at the top. Now I'm taking it Just Ripe in the Peachy palette there. It's a dull red color. I'm going to use that to blend that real nicely on the outer edge and on the inner edge of that vivid garnet color I just placed. And for me, this is a bit sheer, so I'm going to go back in with a little bit more of the Stila and just touch that up. So I like to do eyes first just to minimize the fallout beneath my eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and just do the foundation concealer portion, and then I'll come right back. Okay, now that I have the rest of my face done, I've contoured a little bit, I put concealer and set beneath my eyes. I'm going in with this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. I picked this up because it matches really nicely with the Stila Vivid Garnet color. This one is in the color Rust. And so I'm gonna place that just beneath my eye here, focusing mostly on the center portion, but I do want it to show up really well. So before I add any other color to that, I'm gonna just smoke it downward. Then for the outer edges and inner edge, I'm gonna take Peach Tart in that palette again and use that to smoke that beneath my eye as well. So everything's nicely blended. I'm going to take my Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in black and line just above my eyes. I'm not creating a wing liner today because I'm gonna make a more smoky, dramatic look. Just at the top today. I'm not doing anything at the bottom. So you can see that very subtly there. Then for my lashes, I'm going to be using Ardell Wispies. Got my lashes on. Since I've already done my skin, my eyes, I'm going to highlight so I have that natural radiant glow that we all love to see in the fall. To get that vibrant glow, I'm going to be going in with my Tartiest Pro Glow palette in the color Fire, placing that on my cheekbones, high points of my cheekbones. I do the lower points of my temples as well, trying not to overdo it. Then I also take a little, I use my fingers, just the middle part of my finger, and I do the center of my nose. Then I just buff it out so it's not so harsh. Then I set it with a powder, still using my M.A.C Mineralize finish, skin finish, and a big fluffy brush here. And then I just buff that all in together, minimizing my pores. It's a technique I saw Wayne Goss do, and it works beautifully for me. It doesn't take off the foundation, by the way. I know that it looks like that. I am lightly buffing in circles here. What I forgot to do right quick. Blush. Fenty Beauty, Ginger Binge, you guys know. Last but not least, for lipstick, I'm going to be using from the Aaliyah collection at M.A.C, More Than a Woman, which is a dark vampy lip color. I'm loving this fall look because I have a subtle dark eye, a bold lip, and glowy skin, and I am feeling like this is a complete and utter mood. So if you've liked this look and want to see more like this, let me know in the comments below. I really would like to know what you guys think. Also, comment and let me know what your favorite thing is about fall. For me, it would be the sweaters, the boots, and pumpkin spice lattes, of course, right? Thanks again for watching. If you haven't joined the Tam Glam fam, be sure to subscribe and introduce yourself down below. I'd really like to know each and every one of you. I am so thankful for you, and thanks again for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.